pattern? Little break, and then when's it going to dump again?
It looks like actually the snow band is now moved down to what we call ski country, which is the southern 3 counties in our viewing area, and it's all dependent on the wind. It's almost like a garden hose. If you think of a garden hose, when you take the nozzle off and the garden hose just goes wild, swinging all over the place, that's what's been happening with our lake effect snow. And you know, a lot of folks don't really like to wear these bulky orange life vests. They're not very comfortable and, quite frankly, not very attractive. But I'll tell you what, those days are over, because I'm not wearing just a plain old jacket. This is a U.S. Coast Guard approved life flotation device, life jacket. And it doesn't look too bad. It looks like an ordinary jacket. So there's really no excuse not to be safe. Vic, back to you.
My goodness.
Man, your hair was huge there. Hey, is that a blacklight poster behind you?
Hey, many a day spent listening to Led Zeppelin with the black light on, let me tell you.
Ah, yes.
I love it.
Oh, taking us back, taking us back.
Well, when you see the little flickers before the launch happens, they're burning off the excess hydrogen and oxygen.
Neat.
The space shuttle has 5 redundant computers which check for certain things, and they also have folks at the control panels checking to make sure everything's okay. They saw a slightly high level of hydrogen, which could be damaging, and supposedly it might be a false reading.
Right.
But what they're going to do is probably empty out the tanks and refill them and try again in 2 days.
Just better safe.
Yes, better safe than sorry.
Wow.
Wow,
I was
cool.
honored, since I was also a volunteer fireman.
But you know what, Mike, you've been in Buffalo a little bit too long, because look what happens when you go down to the Meadowlands. Wow, look at that. The green Jets helmet just turned red.
And my
the Bills
shirt,
logo.
too.
And
You're
look
changing.
at that. Isn't that funny how that happens?
Changes just right before our eyes.
That is amazing.
No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Yes.
I love that
Thank you
story.
very much. We're here all week.
Tip your waitress.
Well, if you're planning on boarding our local Amtrak train tomorrow, you better slap on some sunscreen because we have another sunny day on tap. Temperature about 65 in the morning, heading up to a very sunny 84.
That's a very nice tip.
You
Thank
can
you,
get
Mike.
sunburned.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll take your word for it. That's it for this edition of Channel 2 News Tonight.